Good morning everyone, how are you all doing? My name is of course Crumbs, and yeah, summer is officially there. Seriously, but look at all of the stuff. It's like, now it's like 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Yeah, we still haven't eaten breakfast. And it's just already 27 degrees, yeah. And it should get like 30 degrees in the shadow, yeah. Like in the sun, this morning I stood up very, very early, played some soccer, and did my thing in the morning. But seriously, it's just so insane. And look, there's so many lovely flowers. Dandelion, I love dandelion because like it just looks so good. And yeah, today's gonna be a pretty chill day. I'm gonna go in the hang mat. I keep forgetting how it's called. And I'll play football if there's shadow. And I'll just do a load of stuff. Maybe I'm gonna drive my remote control car. That would be really, really awesome. And do like some slow motion and some ramps and so. And put the GoPro on the car. Because I built something that allows me to do that. And just chill, have a nice day, maybe learn for school, I don't know. And yeah, just be happy about life, enjoy summer, because it is summer, like we can see with all of the flies. I hate those creatures, they're like the worst things in the world. Why? Like, I understand bees. Bees are important, but why flies? Why flies? That doesn't make sense. Seriously. But yeah, we're gonna eat breakfast in a second. Just finished breakfast. In a second we're going for a walk. Gonna play frisbee in the shadow now. Yeah, hopefully it's gonna be awesome. Very awesome. Because I love the power ring. And it's getting hotter and hotter and hotter outside. You know, it's just amazing. Pure awesomeness. We're just charging the battery for this. You might be thinking, what a normal car. Well, I'll tell you, it's not a normal car. This thing can go fast, and with fast, I mean really fast. But the battery takes ages to charge. It takes like almost an hour. And yeah, it needs like a special battery charger, but this thing it's like the fastest thing that I've ever seen. It can go like 40 miles per hour. Kilometers per hour, miles is even faster. Yeah, but it's really awesome. And I'll get the battery charged and later we'll drive it. So I'm eating potatoes for this episode, because until now, the whole day long, I've been talking to myself, playing and having fun, and yeah, not really doing anything. So yeah, well, that's a problem. Seriously, we have to fix it. So gangsta. Fixed.
Honey.
yo guys, hope you enjoyed today's vlog. It's been awesome. I've enjoyed it. Hopefully you enjoyed the montage of the RC car. It's been way more fun than I thought it would be. Summer is there. I love summer. And yeah, I'm happy about the weather, seriously. And I'm happy about my life right now. And it's a good point to end today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Here's DONOT.